Alright guys, so yeah, it's finally here. The most awaited Android 11 update has been released for Samsung Galaxy A51. So back in December, Samsung released the beta version of this update to A51 5G, and now the beta testing is finally ended and the stable Android 11 update for A51 is out for public. So if you have Galaxy A51 and haven't got the update notification yet, then you don't need to worry because you will get it within few days. So right now I don't have the actual screenshot of the update, but the update has this version number and the size is around 2 gigs and it has February 2021 security patch. So as this update has Android 11, it will bring the stock Android 11 features as well, like built-in screen recording, much better media controls, chat bubbles and things like that. And on top of Android 11, there will be a new version of Samsung's custom skin or UI, which will be One UI 3.0, in which Samsung added a lot of new visual changes into UI. Everything looks so smooth and more snappy. Some changes that One UI 3.0 brings includes a new control center with a blurred background, new volume control sliders, enhanced dark mode. You can add widgets on your lock screen like weather, to-do lists. There is also a full edge-to-edge video call layout that looks so sick, and there is also a screen time setting that shows how long you have used your smartphone and how often you check it while driving. There's a sleep tracker as well, and definitely there will be a lot more changes and features in One UI 3.0. So talking about the rollout, so this update is currently rolling out in Russia, and I think within a week from now on it will expand to other countries and regions. And initially this update was scheduled to be released in March according to this roadmap, but it's good to see that Samsung has released the update a month before the scheduled date. The update might take some time depending upon what model of A51 you have and in which region you are living, but it won't take long now, and I think by the mid of February the update will be available in every single country. If you haven't got the update notification yet, then you don't need to worry because the update is now officially out by Samsung, and soon your A51 will be running on the latest and the greatest Android 11 with One UI 3.0 on top. So yeah, that's pretty much it from my side about the Android 11 update regarding the A51. Let me know down in the comment sections if you have got the update or not. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more further and future updates, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.